Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy channel, YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn 3x4 rhythm. And in 3x4 rhythm, how we need to give gap means we need to say pause. How we give a beat jump, that we will learn. Means I have seen the problem is 1 2 3 1 2 3 we can play easily maybe, but sometimes one matra release, how to do this, one matra off, how to do this, that we will going to learn. Okay, let's see. I'm sharing with you one little tiny notations. Hope it may help you to understand. This is a basic thing you can practice in a larger scale. Hope you can see this. Now I'm playing the metronome. The metronome will play on 3x4 100 BPM. You can practice, and I'm taking C scale flute. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. One, two, 1 2, or instead of that you can say 1 2 3 pa 1 tha dha 1 ni 1 sa 1 re. So I'm going like that. Now you see how I'm playing. Now you can change the beat and the way. Maybe it is as a basic example. Now you change it 1 2 section. I have given gap, pause. Now you can give the pause to third number, or you can pause, give the first number. So like that example, pa dha 1, dha ni 1. I'm giving one example. So pa dha 1. So 2 3 pa dha 1 dha ni 1. That I have not written. You guys can written it now and practice accordingly. Now I have given the third beat gap. You can give the first beat gap level of pa dha dash pa dha. Like this, or how does it sound? You can write it down and practice like that, and by this way you will be master in 3x4 beat. Okay, practice and practice, that will help you only. See you in this other video. Please do practice and let me know if you are getting any trouble. Comment in this video, and if you are getting trouble, try to connect with me. I will give you a solution.